So this is how we do it in the kingdom, folks. Marc, who should be at his restaurant Hanuman King, but he's not there, has just stopped at middle of the bridge here. Grabbed Max to say hello.
Yes, no, day before yesterday. Then we went too long.
Jesus, this guy was...
Oh my God, he's so drunk.
You're fucked, mate. He nearly bloody run up your ass.
Oh, he's so drunk.
Go around.
I thought he knew you, but he nearly ran into you.
Oh my God. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are walking back from dinner along the river, and I just wanted to show you how pretty it is, lit up at night with these lovely LED lights lining the footpath so you don't hurt yourself. It's marvellous. These really pretty old-fashioned street lamps look good. So join us on this walk. This might be a nothing Tuesday actually. You can just come along and see what it's like at night time. It's about 8:30 and we're coming up to all the street food stalls.
8:23.
Jeez, you want to be... It's 8:23. Smart ass is very happy. There, mate. And yeah, there's a bit of activity up here.
Pizza company and music.
Yeah.
Pizza company.
Pizza company's pumping out some tunes. And here we have what I'd call is... I don't know what you'd call this. Just street food area. They're having a couple of beers on the river. Bloody marvellous. Here's all the street food carts over here. And we are now intruding at what it looks like was the footpath. Is now the dining area. So along here you can see all the various carts and everyone here is enjoying themselves. Look, there's even undercover up there. It's nuts. Bloody marvellous. All right. It's quite nice along here actually. Various fried devices, more fried thingos. And as is tradition, you've got this lovely drive-up service where you can just park your ass on your bike, make your order, and be on your way. That's how they do it. This is the tented area under here for the VIPs. We've got old mate here making some juice. I would walk on the footpath, but the footpath is occupied. Veggie porridge soup. Here we've got a lovely barbecue. Look at that. Chinyang. Some cokes. This is Day, hello. Some seafood. Look at this. More fried. That's quite an extensive menu for something that's on the side of the road. We've got some more stuff and we're sort of petering out over here. There's a barang. How good's that? Ah, we've got the sweets as well, the sweet stand. Across the road we've got a pretty big caravan thingo. Food truck we'll call it. Adventurous words. Here you can see the river all lit up at night, or the bridge I should say. The river reflects the lights on the bridge, however I can assure you that is not the river, that is in fact illuminating. Doesn't that look art? Oh, you've stopped to make an Instagram. I see.
Yeah.
And what's that big establishment over there all lit up?
Temple Cafe.
Oh, Temple Cafe, that's massive. Yeah, have a look at that. So this is, oh, what road is it? It's just the Riverside Road, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
The road along the river?
I don't know the official name.
It's the road along the river, isn't it?
There are two roads along the river.
Yeah, this is the...
One of them.
One of them.
One of the two.
Next to the big gold building.
Let me check in the map to see if there's an official name.
Because look, there's a big tall building over there, and there's also another big tall building over here as well.
It's different this one.
I know it's different, but we can't even say that. It's by the big tall building. Don't these lights just look wonderful? And I note that we're still on the road. Here we are. They're on the footpath. That's a bit better.
Pakambo Avenue.
Say what?
Pakambo Avenue. See?
Pakambo.
Pakambo Avenue.
Okay.
Weird.
Pakambo Avenue, or
I don't
the
know.
Riverside Avenue, we'll call it. It is pretty at night, especially when it's not boiling or pissing down rain. And if you feel inclined, you can go and spend $2 on some food and park your bum on some plastic chairs, a la what it's like eating street food in Hanoi.
My kind of life.
That's it. We've been in here, haven't we?
Yeah.
It looks like a place we've been into.
No. Too fancy for us.
Yeah, it is too fancy. Well, we did eat at a very expensive place
Where
tonight.
is that fancy place?
But in general, yeah, that's too fancy for us.
That's like one of things.
This looks like a very important place. Look, Lexus 570, new, rangy.
I don't really want to fly 15 hours to eat in a
Fancy restaurant. Yeah, that's exactly right.
I can do that in Melbourne.
There's Brown's Coffee across the river. Wasn't one of these really expensive restaurants or some shit?
Huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
That's a Tundra. I thought that was a Ranger. My apologies to all Ford Ranger owners. We do have a Porsche Cayenne over here with the Rego Channy. Is it a Cayenne or is it a Macan? This is where I need you, Sodovic, because I can't decipher. No, I think it's a Cayenne.
P. Chandy.
Big Channy. I wonder if it's a diesel.
Mali.
Looks nice. I do like those Cayennes. Marlis, yeah, that's a bloody nice restaurant, Marlis.
Came here with Bang Lim and Bang Yan.
Weren't we supposed to go here one time?
Yeah.
You were supposed to take me to Marlis.
I went there with Bang Lim because she had
Of course, you know someone there?
no, she had voucher for 2 people for free. So I went there with her and I took Bang Yan with me when I came to see my mum last time. The trip before she passed.
Yeah, that was August 2019.
So I took Bang Yan, so we just had to pay for Bang Yan.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was good. Oh, I asked Tida to come too.
Check out this old Merc. It's on its ass. Embassy Angkor. Do you know, there was a few of those old 60s and 70s Mercs floating around. And with the old roads, I can't remember who told me, but they said stay away from them because they are shagged just from years of abuse from the roads that Siem Reap used to have. But I'd say now, yeah, that old Merc, yeah. But I dare say the old flogged out Benzes will have a new lease on life with the new smooth tarmac just over here. So we are at the intersection of Brand Collection and this particular bridge, which is not illuminated. And I dare say things are a bit boring from here on in. So after, what?
When I was growing up,
story time.
Mercedes, I remember Mercedes were used only for royal purpose. So the royal, when they went places,
Yep.
they go with Mercedes. So it's like if you had a Mercedes, I didn't think normal people back then had a Mercedes.
Status.
It's just like a royal, mainly used for royal.
Yeah.
So we have royal car.
Yes.
What?
I don't think so. Ours is not about status, it's about speed and power.
Let's go.
Anyway, let's bin this, dribble for 10 minutes because we're starting to get hot and not making any more sense. And you've probably stopped watching by now. He's not stopping, nor is this dude. But I'll tell you what, I am. Catch you later. Chicka chow.
Chicka chow.
Bullshit video. I'll upload it. People still watch it. Why? I don't know. Do something better with your time. Come on, guys.